Hello agents, this is part 30 mathematics mean value theorems. This is very important chapters. From these chapters one questions come in examination, board examination. It is a very simple exercise. Clear? Then there are two methods, two rules, two theorem. First one Rolle's theorem, second one Lagrange mean value theorem. After completing, I will tell you Lagrange mean value theorem. But first of all, we have to study about Rolle's theorem. For Rolle's theorem, we have to learn, we have to write three important points. Clear? Then going to explain here, already have written here. Since fx means any function is there, any function, either trigonometrical functions, algebraic function means polynomial, exponential function, inverse trigonometrical function. Example here giving here. Suppose fx is equal to and x square plus 4x plus 1. This is polynomial. So we can say if a polynomial is given, suppose here fx is equal to sin x, then this is trigonometrical function. If e power x, this is exponential function. If e power x into sin x means what we can say? This is exponential trigonometrical function. Clear? Depending on the question, which type function is there, we can say that. Then first of all, first point is since fx means given function. Function means whatever question is there given, this is function. Is a polynomial or trigonometrical function or exponential functions are dash so on. Any function is there. Clear? Of x, it is continuous in closed interval. Close means a is less than equal to x is less than equal to b. In class 10, already we have done in linear inequation close and open interval. Close circle and open circle. Clear? Hollow circle means open and close means dark circle. Then if x is more than or equal to a, x is less than or equal to b, means the value of x will be greater than a or equal to a and less than b or equal to b. This type interval is called closed interval. Clear? Open interval means only a is less than x is less than b. Means the value of x only lies between a and b, not equal to a and b, only more than a and less than b. This type interval is called open interval. Understood about the closed interval and open interval? Okay. Second point, f dash x exists in the open interval a is less than x is less than b. Third one, f is equal to fb means given function we will put the value of a and b. Intervals are already there here. Since all the three conditions 1, 2, 3 condition 1, 2, 3 clear. Since all the three conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied, there exists at least one value of x, say c. Clear? Say here c. In the open interval a is less than x is less than b, such that f dash is equal to 0, and if c lies in the open interval a is less than x is less than b. Understood? Hence Rolle's theorem is verified. Means this much sentence you have to write down, this much statement you have to write down, because very simple questions, very simple chapter, then these statements are very important. Then I am going to give one example how we will do, how we will use all 3 points here. Example number 1. In this question, we have to prove that Rolle's theorem is satisfied. Understood? Question is fx is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3 on 1, 3. This is, you have to say this one. In big bracket, close interval, small bracket, open interval. Understood? Then first of all, first point, say since fx is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. Which type function here? Polynomial. Is polynomial. Clear? Polynomial here already here. Given function means polynomial function. Since fx is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3 is a polynomial. Clear? Function of x here. After that, write all the lines complete full line. It is continuous. Clear? It is continuous in close interval. Clear? A means 1, B means 3. 1 is less than is equal to x is less than 3. Any problem? First point is completed. Since fx is equal to, this is polynomial, write here polynomial function. If this is trigonometrical, then you will write here trigonometrical function. Exponential, then write here exponential function. If combination of trigonometrical, exponential, algebraic, you write the separate. Clear? Understood? Then of x it is continuous close interval. 1 is less than, x is less than 3. Second point, f dash x means what? Here f dash x means derivative of a given function with respect to x. Means f dash x is equal to, what is the differentiation of this one? X square 2x minus 4. Clear? Right, it exists in the open enter. Exist. Clear? In the open interval. A means what? 1. Less than x is less than 3. Understood? Very simple. Third point, fa means f1. In the place of x in given function, we will put 1. 1 square means what? 1. Minus 4 means 1 minus 4 plus 3 is equal to what? 0 will come. Clear? And fb means what? 3 is equal to what? 3 square minus 4 into 3 plus 3 is equal to what? 0 will come. Now, therefore, f1 is equal to f3 is equal to 0. Clear? First point, second point, third point. Since all the three conditions are writing here, since all the three conditions there are Rolle's theorem. Clear? Rolle's theorem. Clear? Are satisfied. Are satisfied. Already clear? There exist at least one value. Clear? Value of x, say C. Understood? Therefore, now f dash C is equal to 0. What is f dash x? 2x minus 4. F dash C means what? In the place of x we can put C here. Then f dash C means 2c minus 4 is equal to 0. C is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Clear? Now we can check here 2 belong to 1, 3. That is 1 is less than 2 is less than 3. According to this one here, third point, 1 is less than x is less than 3. Also you can see here, a is less than x is less than b. Then here the value of whatever value will come means after solving, very simple. First of all, write first point, second point, third point. This is compulsory in all the question for Rolle's theorem. All the question. After at last, this value is equal to 0. Find the value of c means x here. This value will be satisfied of open interval means the value of c is more than a and less than b. Then at last here, 1 is less than 2 is less than 3. Then hence Rolle's theorem is verified. Clear? Very simple. In all the question, as a very simple question, very complicated questions, all the questions we have to write all the 3 points. It is compulsory. At last, f dash c is equal to 0. Whatever value will come of c, this value will be satisfied of open interval. Then we can say that hence Rolle's theorem is verified. Okay. Now going to tell second example. This example second. In this example also we have to prove Rolle's theorem. Clear? First point. What first point? Then fx is equal to sin x plus cos x minus 1. Clear? Which type function? Sine function and cosine function and constant, these are continuous. These are continuous. Clear? Sine function, cosine function and constant, these are continuous. Clear? In closed interval. When fx is equal to sin x plus cos x minus 1, it means sine, cosine and constant are continuous. Clear? Therefore, given function is continuous in the closed interval, 0 is less than equal to x is less than equal to pi by 2. Clear? Pi by 2. Understood? Second, f dash x is equal to what? F dash differentiation of sin x means cos of x. Cos means sin of x minus 0 is equal to cos of x minus sin of x. Exists in open interval, 0 is less than x is less than I. Clear? Very simple. Third one, f a means what? F 0 is equal to what? Sin 0 plus cos 0 minus 1 is equal to 0. And f b means pi by 2 is equal to what? Sin. Clear here? Sin pi by 2 cos pi by 2 minus 1 is equal to what? Sin 91, 0 minus 1 is equal to 0. Clear? Therefore, f 0 is equal to f pi by 2. First point, given function is means here sine function, cosine function and constant function are continuous in closed interval. Therefore, given function is continuous in the closed interval. Second, f dash x is equal to cos x minus sin x is equal to cos x minus sin exists in the open interval. 0 is less than x is less than pi by 2. And f 0 means f a is equal to 0 F B means pi by 2 is equal to also 0. Therefore, F 0 is equal to F pi by 2 is equal to 0. Clear? Since all the three conditions are Rolle's theorem are satisfied, therefore at least one value of x, say C, such that f dash C is equal to 0. F dash C means what? 0 here. Here cos x is cos C minus sin C is equal to 0 here. Then cos C is equal to sin C. Then tan C is equal to 1 is equal to pi by 45 degrees. C is equal to pi by 4. Clear? Since 0 is less than pi by 4 is less than pi by 2, therefore Rolle's theorem is verified. Clear? Hence Rolle's theorem is verified. Means hence Rolle's theorem is verified. Hence proved. Are understanding? Very simple, very simple. Only you have to note down, keep in your mind only 3 points. First point only, given function is continuous. Why? Because this is algebraic, trigonometrical, inverse trigonometrical, whatever function is there, only write simply right here this type functions. Therefore, it is continuous in closed interval. Second, f dash x exists in the open interval. Third one, f a is equal to f b is equal to, both are equal. Then, since all the three conditions of Rolle's theorem are satisfied, at least one value of x is C, such that f dash C is equal to 0. Then find the value of C. C is equal to pi by 4. This pi by 4 is more than A means 0 and less than B means pi by 2. We can say hence Rolle's theorem is verified. This is homework question. Fx is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus ax plus b. On 1, 3, Rolle's theorem holds. With C is equal to 2 plus 1 by under root 3, find the value of A and B. This question is very, very most important. Maximum time coming question paper. Clear? Fx is equal to x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4 and 2, 4. Fx is equal to e power x cos x belong to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Please you will complete this homework questions. In next video I will tell about the Lagrange mean value theorem. Clear?